Hey friends, this is so far from Teach Technology. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to show you how disposable email services like tempmail offer a practical solution for online privacy. They provide temporary email addresses that self-destruct after a set time, helping users avoid spam and securely register on various platforms without revealing their personal email. Stay safe and spam-free with these handy tools. Before start video, press the bell icon or subscribe to my YouTube channel. First, download tempmail from App Store or Play Store. Open it and you can see your temporary email. If you want, you can change it too. You can copy it or scan that email too. After that, whatever application you want to use for this email, open it. Just like I open CodePen.io. Click sign up and use that temporary email address to create account. After create it, go to tempmail app and verify this email from it. After that, you can use this application. The best part about this application, you can use it as a professional email just like Gmail, Hotmail or other email supportive applications. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Your support means the world to us. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an exciting moment. Share our content with your friends and family, and together, let's keep this community thriving. Stay tuned for more inspiring videos and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep smiling.